Hackathons are a great method and process to innovate and get value from high-performing teams that are joined together in a tight time frame and want to unleash value for customers and prototype new ideas.
So when I think about the key benefits for a hackathon, there's a couple of things. One is there's always a focus on, can we progress some of the ideas against the end of the event? And I think there always needs to be an aspiration to be able to do that, but very carefully considered about validation and making sure ideas have traction. So that's important. Outputs are important. There's also the other side around what participants get to learn and stretch themselves. So whether it's design thinking, using things like the value proposition canvas, user experience. These are all things that can be tailored within an event to work for what the client is looking to try and bring forward with their staff.
So our customers are non-tech companies who look to us to bring them innovation and new ideas into their processes, business units and day-to-day. So we thought a hackathon would be a great way for us to package new components, new ideas, infuse in our teams that mindset of prototyping, the mindset of creating something out of thin air, and just package it in a way that can address some of our customers' business problems in a very short amount of time. So we've selected the hackathon themes in conjunction with some of our customers because we saw the needs that they had in their projects, in their products that they're building. And we thought that we could accelerate a few of those experiments ourselves whilst creating an environment where our teams could be exposed to these new ways of thinking and infusing them with new digital skills that we require every day.
So diversity is really important for a hackathon. And what I mean by that is you will have some subject matter experts that you want to link to an idea, but you need to surround them with different skills from different areas. So that might be business folk, marketing folk, sales or finance. And it actually translates into a better idea at the end of the event. The added bonus is that group has formed a professional relationship that will extend beyond the event so that they're building their networks within the business through the course of a hackathon event.
So we can introduce hackathons to bring innovation to our customers. By combining multidisciplinary teams that have a very deep business knowledge in our customer environments, we can facilitate a process that brings developers, BAs, business units, and just packages and harvests innovation inside our customer ecosystems.
So when we think about different challenges that a hackathon can solve, it can be all the way from looking at a fast-growing company that's trying to encourage people to work with each other that they wouldn't have met. It might also be an established company that has multiple locations where they're looking to break silos. It can be things around staff engagement. It can also be looking at different areas that the company could grow into, like a sector focus, for instance. And really, there can be any multiple of different avenues that are explored. It just needs to be anchored well with a theme, and then making sure the right participants attend to be able to swarm around the ideas that are selected.
So shortly after the hackathon, we believe we're going to release a tremendous amount of value from machine learning models integrated with OutSystems, adoption and customer satisfaction applications, to even interoperability modules that can allow to extract data from OutSystems. We're experimenting with very different domains, and we believe we're going to leverage them in customer projects, but also in digital products that our customers want to do with OutSystems.